What's up, everybody, and welcome to episode 2 of our prep for Cinco de Mayo.
Today we're going to show you how to make not one, but 2 types of salsa in 2 different styles, 2 different colors. And if you can't guess what colors those are going to be, maybe our shirts will give you a hint. They're going to be purple and orange. No,
Yes.
Just kidding.
Purple and orange salsa.
We're making a green and a red salsa. So
what goes into them?
Well, we have our ingredients right here. Will you hand me the green one, since I am team green? For our green salsa, we are going to use Tomatillos. We're going to use, what kind of chiles are these? Serrano? I always forget. I always say poblano. There's so many different kinds, and I forget. But these are Serrano chiles. And then we're going to have 2 little cloves of garlic. And for this type of salsa, we're going to boil the tomatillos and the chiles. And then we're going to blend that all up. And for our next type of salsa, for our red salsa, we have tomatoes and serrano and garlic as well. The difference is going to be that we're going to actually roast these tomatoes on the stove. So that's going to give it a nice color. You'll see.
My color.
Yep.
So this is the team red salsa over here.
Yeah, so let's get started. So for our red salsa, if you didn't catch it before, we are going to use 3 Roma tomatoes, 2 serrano chiles, and 2 cloves of garlic. So the garlic, for now, I'm going to leave aside, but with the tomatoes and the chiles, I'm going to go ahead and put them on our pan so they can start roasting. And I went ahead and cut off just the little ends that we're not actually going to eat, like the stems and stuff. So we'll just toss those onto our pan. And we're going to keep flipping them throughout the time that they're cooking. That way they get that nice little black stuff on them all over. And then over here in our pot, we're going to throw in our tomatillos, peeled and washed, and our chiles. And again, we're going to leave the garlic aside. Sorry, I don't want to splash myself. There we go. So we're just going to keep an eye on these. See, it's starting to get cooked, but we're just going to let it stay for a while. And then we'll come back and toss them in the blender and we'll have our salsa. Our salsa is almost done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the boiled tomatillos and chile and put them in this little cup right here. And then we're going to do the same thing for the red sauce.
I don't know why I said sauce, guys. I am a disgrace to my ancestors. This is obviously salsa. I always complain about people who call salsa sauce, and I just turned into those people today, so I apologize. Please don't be those people.
And if you want to just take a look right there at the tomatoes and the chiles, you want to get them roasted looking like that, because the blackness on the skin of those veggies is going to add a nice color to that salsa as well. So I'm almost done with this one. And I threw the 2 cloves of garlic into these little cups. So don't worry, I didn't forget them. I'll just toss this in. It'll be fun blending these. Okay, and then we're going to add about a tablespoon of salt to each of these. Oh, this little salt thing is not the best. A little more. Okay, and we're gonna blend them up and have our salsas. Okay, I feel like I blended that too much, but here's our red salsa now. Don't want to make too much of a mess. Make sure you don't get this in your eyes either, that's the worst. So you can see the blackness that we got from roasting our peppers. It gives it a really nice touch. Okay, so that's our red one. Just gonna we don't want to contaminate them. We don't want to cross-contaminate because we are competing, right, Garrett?
Yep.
I think the green one's going to be better. I haven't actually made it before. But My dad makes it, and it's pretty good. So now we're gonna just blend up the green one. Okay, look at that beautiful salsa right there. Okay, let's not repeat that. There we go. Woohoo, we got a little more green. Okay, and there you have it, guys. 2 salsas, 2 different ways. Join us next time on our next Cinco de Mayo video. We're going to be making some chicken taquitos, so the competition will continue. We're going to have these as little toppings or just, I guess, dippings to dip our taquitos in, and we're going to decide which one tastes better. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.